Phi River at Lithia. When? From Monday evening to Thursday evening. Impacts at 15 feet. Additional residences downstream of County Road 640 bridge begin flooding. Additional details at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sunday the stage was 5.9 feet. Bankville stage is 13 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow evening to a crest of 14.9 feet Tuesday evening. It will then fall below flood stage early Thursday afternoon. Flood stage is 13 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 14.9 feet on August 16, 2004. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect from late Monday night until further notice. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Hillsborough River near Hillsborough River State Park. When? From late Monday night until further notice. Impacts at 11 feet. Hillsborough River State Park may be closed. Lowland flooding occurs at the mobile home park near Brankton on State Road 579. Additional details at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sunday the stage was 3.0 feet. Bankville stage is 8 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Tuesday morning and continue rising to a crest of 10.7 feet Tuesday evening. Flood stage is 10 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 10.7 feet on September 24, 1953. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The National Weather Service